West Los Angeles, Hollywood, New York, Jamaica, worldwide. Every Tuesday night, RO's leads to Poom Tuesday.
Me make your pum pum happy.
LA's #1 Caribbean Ladies Night, featuring the baddest reggae, dancehall, hip-hop, soca, R&B, Afrobeat, and reggaeton DJs in the city, alongside our high-energy dance crew and special invited guests. Weekly pop-up Caribbean food caterers, jerking it up on the Irish smoking patio. Lots of drink specials and top shelf bottle specials available. Get limited discount $10 tickets available now only at PoomPoomTuesdayLA.eventbrite.com. For more information, call or text 424-228-0569. That's 424-228-0569. Yeah, man, it's going down this and every Tuesday night inside Hollywood's world famous El Cid on Sunset, located at 4212 Sunset Boulevard, just off Hollywood Boulevard, California 90029. Tell a friend, it's another Q-Boy production. One Love event.